If you're seeing the Lucidchart message, an error occurred, failed to download, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your export working again. These methods are simple, safe, and they solve the most common download problems without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and often best fix. Use Incognito or private mode. Open Chrome and launch a new Incognito window or use private browsing in your browser. Then sign back into Lucidchart and try downloading your file again. This helps because Incognito mode disables many extensions and clears out temporary browser data that can interfere with exports. If a browser add-on, blocked cookie, or cached file is causing the problem, this step often gets the download working right away. If that still doesn't work, move on to the next fix. Duplicate the document. Go back to your Lucidchart dashboard and find the file you're trying to download. Right-click it or open the File menu and choose Make a Copy. Then open the copied version and try exporting that one instead. Sometimes the original document can have a temporary issue, and making a copy refreshes the file structure enough to allow the download to complete successfully. Now let's try changing the export format. If Lucidchart is failing when you try to download as a PNG or JPEG, switch the file type and export it as a PDF or SVG instead. This is a very useful test because the issue may only affect one format. Once the alternate file downloads successfully, you'll know the problem is specific to that export type, not the entire document. In many cases, you can then use the alternate format as a temporary solution or convert it later if needed. Next, check your network connection. A weak connection, an unstable Wi-Fi signal, or a VPN can interrupt the Lucidchart download process. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try again. If possible, switch to a different network like mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and then reattempt the export. Download errors often happen when the connection is blocked, filtered, or dropping packets during the file generation process. A simple network change can make all the difference. If you're still getting the same error, I recommend going back and repeating the steps in a fresh browser session. Start with Incognito mode again, then try the copied document, then test a different export format. Doing the fixes in this order helps narrow down the cause quickly. Most users will solve the problem with one of these 4 methods because they target the most common reasons Lucidchart downloads fail. To summarize, here's the best order to try. First, use Incognito or private mode, then duplicate the document, then change the export format, and finally check your network or turn off your VPN. One of these solutions should get your Lucidchart file downloading again without too much hassle. If this video helped you fix the error, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.